Sheesh, bro, that is clean. In the box before the video, but Shine Armor went ahead and sent me a kit, and in this kit it came with some spray wax, it came with a clay mitt, and a bunch of microfiber towels, which is pretty awesome. I'm excited to share this with you guys. Basically what I'm going to be doing is showing how good this stuff really just makes your car look. We got to clean my car first because it's super dirty. And Shine Armor, if you're watching, thank you again for sending the kit out. I really appreciate it. Look how dirty this thing is. I have not washed it in forever. It's got bird poop. It's got growths. It just got more bird poop. It's looking gross, man. We really need to clean this thing. So we're gonna use my pressure washer, we're gonna do the foam wash, we're gonna scrub it down. We're gonna use the clay mitt first and then the spray wax after. There's a little bit of a process behind it. There's two different ways you can use it, but I'm gonna go over that in the video. Don't make fun of me, don't judge me. I promise it's never this bad. Car is nice and wet still. So what I did was I did the foam wash, I scrubbed it down, then I washed all the suds and everything off, so it's looking nice and glossy because it's still wet. But we're gonna use the clay mitt now. There's two different ways to use it. One of the videos that I saw online, this guy just used some quick detailer and he sprayed it on the fender and he sprayed it on the clay mitt and wiped back and forth gently and did it that way. But I don't have any quick detailer, so we're gonna do it the other way I saw, which was just dump the clay mitt in a soapy bucket and just do the whole car that way, and then rinse off and then dry and use the spray wax. All right, so nice and light. We're going back and forth. We're gonna do this to the whole car. After we're done, we're gonna spray it down with the pressure washer and then we're gonna dry it and then use the spray wax. Washing the car and scrubbing it down. There's still a lot of dirt that's coming up by using this thing, so that's pretty cool, man. So far I feel like it's working. Really hot out today and I'm dying, but after using that clay mitt, I've noticed that even wiping down the doors just feels so smooth already. So I can't even imagine how it's gonna be with the wax. All right, so we have the towel, it's nice and folded, and we have the wax. The wax has a little button too to lock it, so it doesn't spray by itself. But we're gonna spray this whole area, we're gonna spray this, we're gonna wipe, and then we're gonna use a clean one, which I have in my pocket here, to wipe off the excess, exactly as the instructions say. So let's get started. Looks good. Forgot that my paint sparkles that much. Guys, you guys see the glitter? Look at that. Sheesh. I totally forgot about that. Sheesh. Bro, that is clean. I did the door and I did the fender, and I am really happy with how it looks. So I'm gonna do the whole car now. Use the wax. I don't know, man, I just haven't seen it this clean in a minute. It's just crazy. But I'm gonna put the 50mm on, get some cinematic shots. Hopefully you can see the sparkles with that lens because the 24 isn't really doing it justice. But again, if you guys want to purchase any of this stuff, there's going to be a link in the description below. There is going to be a discount code that you can use as well. Yeah, if I recommend any of them, I definitely recommend the spray wax and the clay mitt. So if you can get your hands on the clay mitt, definitely do that. But look at that, man, that's sick. Oh. I love it. I'm gonna do the whole car. I'm gonna be so tired tonight. But alright guys, if you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will answer them as quickly as possible.